Hello students, today we will start our third exercise of chapter number 2, that is exercise 2.3. Our first question is find the remainder when x is to the power 3 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by first part x plus 1, second part x minus 1 by 2, third part x, fourth part x plus pi, fifth part 5 plus 2x. We have already studied the remainder theorem. It says that if we divide a polynomial px by x minus a, then p of a will be the remainder. So the first part we are solving by remainder theorem. The required remainder is equals to p of minus 1. Now p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore, p of minus 1, we are replacing x with minus 1, is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3 multiply minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 multiply minus 1 plus 1. On solving, we'll get minus 1 raised to the power 3 is equals to minus 1. 3 multiply minus 1 raised to the power 2 is equals to 3. 3 multiply minus 1 is equals to minus 3 plus 1, which is equals to 0. Hence, the required remainder p of minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, second part, x minus 1 by 2. By remainder theorem, the required remainder is equals to p of 1 by 2. Now, p of 1 by 2 is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now, we are replacing x with 1 by 2. So, 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 plus 3 multiply 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 multiply 1 upon 2 plus 1. 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to 1 by 8. Then 3 multiply 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 is equals to 3 by 4. 3 multiply 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 plus 1. Here the denominators are different, so we will take the LCM and we will solve this. The LCM of this will come 8, and on solving this we'll get 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 upon 8, and again solving this we will get 27 by 8. Hence, the remainder is p of 1 by 2 is equals to 27 by 8. Now, third part is x. By remainder theorem, the required remainder is equals to p of 0. Now, p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore, p of 0 is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Hence, the required remainder p of 0 is equals to 1. Now, fourth part is x plus pi. By remainder theorem, the required remainder is p of minus pi. Now, p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore, p of minus pi is equals to minus pi raised to the power 3 plus 3 multiply minus pi raised to the power 2 plus 3 multiply minus pi plus 1. So, the solution is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Hence, the required remainder px is equals to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Now, fifth part is 5 plus 2x. By remainder theorem, the required remainder is p of minus 5 by 2. Now, p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore, p of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 multiply minus 5 by 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 multiply minus 5 by 2 plus 1. On solving this, what we will get? We will get minus 125 upon 8 plus 75 upon 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. And on solving this by taking the LCM, we will get minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8 upon 8. which is equals to minus 27 upon 8. Hence, the required remainder P of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 27 upon 8. Now, question number 2. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Let px is equals to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a by remainder theorem. When px is divided by x minus a, then remainder is equals to p of a. Therefore, p of a is equals to a cube minus a multiply a square plus 6a minus a, which is equals to a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a, and if we'll solve this, we'll get 5a. Hence, the required remainder px is equals to 5a. Now, question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. 7 plus 3x will be a factor of px is equals to 3x cube plus 7x if p of minus 7 by 3 is equals to 0. So, we are replacing x by minus 7 by 3. Now, p of minus 7 by 3 is equals to 3 multiply minus 7 upon 3 raised to the power 3 plus 7 multiply minus 7 by 3, which is equals to 3 multiply minus 343 upon 27, as cube of 7 is 343 and cube of 3 is 27, minus 49 upon 3, and on solving this we will get minus 343 upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. If we will further solve this, then the result will not come 0. Therefore, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Now, this is all about this exercise. Thank you.